Hello, my name is Dr. Doug Pooley. We find ourselves in the middle of a healthcare crisis of absolute biblical proportions. Nowhere has a disease of this nature impacted so many different people in so many different areas as it does today. And although there's not a cure in sight yet, there's literally an army of human beings across the world that are working on finding a solution to this horrific crisis that we find ourselves into. Although there is no cure as it stands today, what we can do is there are certain features and factors within our own environment that we may be able to maximize to help to improve our health status, and in doing so serve as a hedge in helping us to combat this disease going forward. What I'm going to do over the next couple of weeks is to provide you with a strategy that is based in science, but more importantly, logic, that will give you some tools, or not so much give them to you, but help you maximize tools already contained within your being to improve your health status, maximize immune function, and help us get through this crisis together. I've been in practice over 42 years. During that period of time, I've had opportunity to work with around 20,000 individuals in over 400,000 clinical encounters. I'm also a champion bodybuilder, having run a competition at the age of 53. But I find myself now at 69 in a position to be able to give back to you some tools and some important processes that you can incorporate into your life at this particular juncture that may just help you get through this thing a little bit more efficiently. Over the next couple of weeks, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at what constitutes health and what are the factors that keep us healthy. We're going to look at disease. What is disease and how our bodies can best be tuned in order to fight the disease process. We're going to look at the 5 pillars of health that include food management, proper hydration, breathing techniques that work. We're also going to look at the issue of detoxification and finally purposeful movement. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you strategies that work around these 5 critical pillars that formulate health itself and things that you can do right within your home environment to maximize these features to improve your health status. We're also going to give you a simple at-home exercise program. We're going to look at self-motivation. We're going to look at the importance of creating a routine in your life, especially during these critical times. One of the things that I want to leave you with today is I want to leave you with one thought that I'd like you to kind of consider as a pivotal feature of life and health. The human body literally has evolved over hundreds of thousands of years and generations to do one thing, and that's to move with efficiency. Every one of the features that impact life or define us as being alive are in essence nothing more than purposeful movement, whether it be digestion or circulation, whether it be the elimination of waste, neurological transfer, or thought itself. When you break them down to their individual finite components, it's all about movement and efficiency. And health is nothing more than a reflection of how well these systems work. The most critical for this is the immune system, and it is impacted by movement directly and emphatically. We're going to delve into that in great detail as we go forward. So right now, what I want you to do is get out of your pajamas. Sit down for a second and just reflect on life, because it's going to be better. We're going to get through this. Now, what I'm going to give you is not a get out of jail free card for COVID-19. Unfortunately, I wish I could, but I can't. But we are going to give you some strategies and some ideas that are simple, that you can do at home, that are going to help you and your family feel better during this crisis. Thanks. See you in a couple of days.